So when you take a look, here's the grid. Just made this the rectangular shape of approximately 3 by 5. And if you have it going the opposite direction, that's fine. Just trying to give you the idea. And then once you have that rectangular shape, it's just a matter of crossing the diagonal one direction. So it doesn't matter which direction you go, but I'm just going to divide it in half just to show it to you. So you can see that that's the triangle. So you could do the front part of it, if you can see the illusion like this, or you could do the back side of it. I'm going to just choose for the front, and I'm just going to make it 1 cube thick, so it's almost drawing itself right there. And there it comes off the page. I don't have it printed all the way to the edge, but there you can see this section. And you can also see that as I drew this, I have plenty of space up here if I need to move it up closer to something to fit on the page. Okay. And from here on out, it's pretty simple. You're just going to try to match this same shading of these 3 panels. The light side, the top, dark side is going to be on the left, and the middle tone values are going to be on the right. And within each of those, it has its own form of gradient. And again, I'm just going to try to emphasize this with the pencil and the triangle this time. So here's the edge. I know that line's going to be the most contrast, so I can push down a little bit, and I'm just pushing down with the pencil against the triangle to shade this. It kind of quickens it up, helps me guide it along. And blend that in like that. And here's the vertical part. So while it's still there, I know this is going to be the dark side of this one. And we'll just treat this as a light-shaped piece. And I can even go back again if I like. Try to emphasize that edge. And place that in there like that. So that's pretty easy. And then just going to take the same idea, only this time try to illustrate just the mid-tones. So here's the vertical line. Here's the line. And just ease up a little bit. Just do part of it. Come down to the bottom here. So there's the edge. So just freehand, I'm just going to blend that in a little bit more. So it's a nice gradient. And just come to the edge here. And then for the light side, I'm going to leave the light of the paper right where those 2 planes meet. But along this edge, just make it a very light transition. So there's a separation between the shape and the color of the paper. And just let that blend down. It's that easy. And the only thing I would do separately would be to emphasize the intersection or the meeting of these 2 planes. I'm just using a little bit of a sharper edge there. Again, you have the paper you can use as a bit of a pencil here. Get the